Hey Pal, diving into Azure AI Document Intelligence and harnessing the power of extracting data from forms is incredibly smart these days. You don't have to lift a finger after the initial setup. The AI will handle the heavy lifting, doing the work as seamlessly as you talk to it. Let's chat about why this tool is such a big deal in today's data-driven world, shall we? Imagine you manage a company where invoices, receipts, RFPs, and more are stacking up every day. Your old-school manual entry process would take hours and is rife with errors and inefficiencies. Scary, right? Well, enter the wizards of Azure AI Document Intelligence, a form recognition service that's not only fast but gets the job done with minimal fuss. So, buckle up as we explore everything about Azure AI Document Intelligence to master data extraction from various forms like a seasoned pro. First off, this AI isn't just some ordinary software, it's an experience that makes data extraction seem like a walk in the park. Picture this, you are swamped with documents, and in mere moments, you can have the data neatly organized and ready for action. Isn't that the dream? Azure AI Document Intelligence empowers you to extract critical information from documents in real time, be it invoices, receipts, contract forms, or even handwritten notes. It does this by teaching itself as it processes a mountain of documents, getting better over time, which means the accuracy and speed of extraction just keeps on improving with use. As if that wasn't enough, it supports extraction of form-specific content like signature fields or checkboxes, saving the world of data entry from potential disasters. You'll learn the ropes of configuring the extraction, like mapping fields and setting the right parameters. Imagine having a one-stop tool that caters not only to form recognition but extends its expertise to document understanding, processing tables, extracting named entities, and even recognizing handwritten notes. Plus, the best part is its ability to recognize the language of the document, dealing with textual nuances and local dialects. Let's get into the architecture, the techie backbone of this magic. It's designed for scalability and can groom for enterprise or small tasks. Depending on the document size and complexity, it offers a tiered approach, from document detection to understanding content structures and relationships. And hey, no one likes a tool that plays favorites, right? The beauty of Azure AI Document Intelligence is its robustness across languages, formats, and document types, with a global reach that spans across multiple regions and time zones. That's right, it's built to handle international business demands, bridging the gap across the globe in one neat package. Next up, let's not forget about the security and privacy. Trust is crucial, and Azure AI Document Intelligence takes this seriously with AI governance, ensuring no raw data leaves your perimeter without consent, and strict compliance with data privacy regulations. We're talking AI forensics, audits, and controls to keep everything above board. Now, let's sweat some troubleshooting. Errors or false positives? No worries. Azure Document Intelligence provides insight and analytics to quickly resolve common issues and fine-tune the AI. With continuous learning and improvement, it ensures that your setup remains sharp as a tack without ever skipping a beat. But wait, let's discuss something essential: performance tuning. Because we know you're always after the best customer experience and you want that golden nugget of efficiency, we'll dive into the tuning options, ensuring your machine keeps humming along without missing a beat. Advancing to the frontier of document intelligence, we learn about the next-level features like entity extraction and complex form understanding. With this, the AI is not just extracting data, it's understanding it and its context like a human minus the hassle and errors, of course. Got the tech talk out of the way, why not touch on cost efficiency? Here's where your wallet smiles back, as pricing plans tailor-make to your business needs, ensuring the investment is recouped in no time through saved labor hours and heightened efficiency. Enter advanced best practices and the importance of continuous optimization. Because let's be honest, no one's all-knowing. And who doesn't love sharing wisdom? We'll talk about maintaining data hygiene, automating workflows, and using the data to fuel smarter business decisions. Remember when we talked about the why? Let's keep that conversation going as we discuss real-world case studies, where enterprises have transformed their form processing game, elevating productivity levels while cutting down costs and errors. So, whether you are in billing, procurement, healthcare, or any sector dealing with mountains of paperwork, Azure AI Document Intelligence is your ultimate ally. The future feels bright, data-driven, and on point, my friend. Alrighty, we've shared a world of info with you. Remember, always look out for updates and stay adaptive, ready to embrace the ever-changing tech landscape. For deeper insights, visit neeraj.qzz.io and don't forget to subscribe for TechLab for the latest and greatest in AI and beyond. Until next time, keep turning the pages on your digital frontier adventure.